Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today I am here to show you guys my skincare routine. This is definitely a video that I haven't updated in a long time, and I have been getting so many questions about my skin because I have been taking such good care of it, so I figured why not make that video for you guys today. So I hope that y'all enjoy it, and if you do enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so I want to say a huge thank you to Curology for sponsoring this video. I have been getting so many questions about my skin. I've actually been using Curology since March, so it's been about 6 months, and I have been using it every single night, and it has been so great. So I wanted to tell you guys a little bit of details about Curology because I feel like most of you guys probably see advertisements of them, but I really want to explain to you guys what it is, why I like it, how it has worked for me, and then of course we'll go to my bathroom and I'll show you guys how I take off my makeup, all my cleanser, moisturizers, and all that jazz. So let me explain to you guys a little bit about Curology. So if you're not familiar, Curology actually makes a custom skincare formula just for you, and a licensed dermatology provider will evaluate your skin profile, skin type, medical history, and they will prescribe a custom mix of 3 ingredients for you. So whether that's acne, dark spots, fine lines, whatever you're worried about, they do have a bottle for you. Curology's dermatology providers are real. They are live medical professionals. They're not like robots or anything like that. So after you signed up, you do get paired up with a licensed provider who will evaluate your skin, and then they will determine the ingredients that are right for you. You don't need copay or anything like that. Your provider will always be there for you, and you can literally adjust your formula as you go. The thing about me is I have normal to dry skin, and I don't have super huge issues in my skin, which is why I never thought I would need something like this. But for me, I have a lot of little issues. I have discoloration, I have dark spots, I have a little bit of texture, a little bit of hormonal acne. So I have a little bit of all these things. So for me, it's been really hard to find products that will cater to all of those things. So I always found myself buying products to cater one thing and then switching it up, but when I'm taking care of something else, then something else comes back. So now that I think about it, Curology was actually perfect for me because it is a prescribed formula for all your needs. So whether that's one huge need or a lot of little ones, they can make that formula for you. And as I said earlier, you can change it up. So I actually was using a formula for about 3 months, and then I decided to go higher on certain ingredients. So you can always message your dermatology provider and you can tell them exactly what you want. You send them pictures, tell them if it's working for you or not, and they will change your formula for you, add in, take away. So it really is like being in the office with them. I just talk to them through my phone, through the website, and it's super quick and simple, and they're there for you. Whatever your needs are, whatever your concerns are, they will help you out. So you can do a free trial. All you have to pay is for shipping and handling. You will get a month's supply of it, and it'll come with your specific Curology. This is the serum, and this is the bottle that you put on. I will show you guys when in my routine I put it on, and then you will also get the moisturizer as well as the cleanser. These are both really good. As you can see, I also really enjoy them. They're very gentle on the skin, and I do obviously use it with my other products that I will be showing you guys in my routine. While using Curology, I have noticed such a big difference. Obviously, I didn't have the most problematic looking skin, but it was those issues that I noticed, and I have noticed that other people have noticed. I mean, you guys have been sending me so many DMs about how good my skin looks, so that makes me so happy because it just makes me more excited to show you guys what has actually been helping me out. So that is it. I will leave the link down below if you want to check out Curology. Again, you can sign up for that free month just by shipping and handling. So I obviously have makeup on and I'm in my jammies, so I'm gonna do my nighttime skincare routine, and I'll show you guys all the products and how I use Curology within all my favorite products. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so here we have the makeup that I've been wearing for a while. I do like to use a headband to get my hair out of the way, and then I quickly realized how much I look like a cheetah girl. I promise it wasn't on purpose. So first I like to start out with the Garnier micellar water. This is how I like to take off my makeup. It has been my favorite way to do it, and I do use reusable cotton rounds. That's really easy because all you have to do is use them and then wash them, and then you can reuse them. It's better for the environment, and it's honestly honestly really nice on my skin, and just one cotton round will take off all of this makeup before cleansing. I really enjoy this micellar water. I get the one for all skin types, even sensitive skin, but they do have some for waterproof makeup as well as oily skin. It honestly has been my favorite way to remove my makeup. I don't like using makeup wipes, and it's just super easy and gentle, and it really works wonders. And by the way, I do like to put bronzer on my neck, so I also take off whatever makeup I have there. So that is it. And then for my cleanser, I use the MAMONDE Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. I really enjoy it. Again, it is a thicker oil that turns into a foamy cleanser. It is Korean beauty, and it is a very intensive, hydrating, and soothing cleanser. I really enjoy it. It really takes off any other makeup that I have while also cleaning out my skin and my pores. And then I'm just going to go rinse off with water. And just remember, pat your face with a towel. For toner, I'll be using the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. I like it because it is alcohol free, and it also hydrates, relieves, and soothes the skin. As you guys can tell, I put it on with my hands instead of a cotton round because since I did double cleanse, I don't like to waste any product. And I just put the rest on my neck and let it dry a little bit. And here's my Curology custom cream. Here's the bottle, and here is the packaging. It has a nice pump, and here's my name. I just use about 1.5 pumps, and it has a really nice consistency, and I just put that all over my face. And I do like to let it sit for a minute, let it dry a bit before I go in with moisturizer, just so that it can sink into my skin. So for moisturizer, I'll be using the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. Guys, this is a game changer, especially if you have sensitive or dry skin. It helps hydrate parched skin, and it also helps with minor irritation due to eczema and other conditions. I obviously used way too much. You don't need that much, but I do like to rub it up my neck and just put it everywhere on my skin. This has been one of my favorite moisturizers ever. I like to use it as a day cream as well as a night cream. It just hydrates my skin and makes it feel so plumped. But I did want to share with you guys a drugstore alternative that I've been loving. It is the e.l.f. Happy Hydration Cream with CBD. So for eye cream, I'll be using the First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. As you guys can see, it is completely rubbed off because I use it so much, and a little bit goes such a long way, which is why I love it. It does have that peach tint, so it actually makes your eyes look a lot better right away, but it also has niacinamide, it has caffeine, and just a bunch of really amazing ingredients that have helped my under eyes over time. And I just like to put that everywhere because I do like to prevent any wrinkles around my eyes. And guys, that is my skincare routine. I will give you guys a little close up because my skin is not perfect, but it looks pretty amazing. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.